Okay guys, I want to talk to you about this Greenwork pressure washer and the model number here 51052. uh, it's not really strong pressure washer, it's only 1500 psi, and it's been working okay for a while, but then I got a problem with the spray gun. At one point it started leaking all over the place from all seals, and when I tried to fix it, I cannot fix it. And this is another problem. This connector, which is going inside of the gun, it's all rusted, as you can see, and it's the other side is also all rusted. So what I did, I went to greenworktools.com and I ordered a new kit. It's come with a new hose and a new spray gun, and I hope it will fit this machine because the machine is still working. Okay, I received my new kit. It's right here, and the part number for this 5202002, and what it comes with, it comes with a new spray gun, new hose, one spray attachment. I think it's 20 degrees, 25 inch spray nozzle. Okay, let's see how it's gonna work. The box looks like it's been opened before. Okay, what we got here? This is a new spray gun. I redesigned it. It's completely different from the other one. The new connection is here, and it's not this kind of connection. It's this connection. Okay, this is the other piece, and the cool thing about this, it has a quick connect, so you can connect the foam cannon here, or you can use you can buy separately the other connectors. Okay, got manual and nothing else. And where is my hose? Fuck. Okay, yeah, I was waiting for this part for 10 days, and that's all I received, the spray gun, no other parts. I guess this side of the box being open, and I don't know what happened to the hose, but hose is not here. And like I said, I've been waiting for this 10 days. It's looked like the UPS opened a new service called Turtle Express. Okay, let me go ahead and call them to find out what's going on. Okay, I just called Greenworks. I spoke to one representative. He he apologized, and he said he will send another one. And I don't know if it's how long it's gonna take, another 10 days or what. Okay, stay tuned, and I'll keep you informed. Thank you.